The battery is 100% fully charged. Let's turn the camera on by simply hitting the mode on button. Let's do that again. Mode on. Let's take it out of the case. Make sure the battery is firmly pressed in and mode on. Let's do a 10-second long press. A couple more seconds and let go. The camera's first issue, fully charged, trying to start it in the media module as seen, and we're on 93% and not 100%. So let's shut the camera off, place back in the media module, snap it into place, and bring the USB Type-C cable, and we have a backlit TFT screen show up, go off, and we are now charging. We should not see the back screen light up, and we should not have the problem of doing a force boot right out of a box.